Not okay, I just received that.
Yeah, you have to share your screen so we can see.
Yeah, I'm just downloading the Excel.
Okay.
Okay. I'll share my screen. Let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, we can.
We can, right? So now what you do is the down 590103 is there, right? Down the sheet. Oh no, on the left hand side, sheet name is 590103.
Yes.
Click that. Write it NIFTYBEES. Just double click it. Rename. Yeah, that is NIFTYBEES. BEE, that is. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, that's fine. No, we are not doing a spelling class here. Now, what I want you to do is you have all the metrics for NIFTYBEES. So now, because you have a template, you can create for whatever you want. So just copy that sheet, make a copy. And now go to bscindia.com. BSc India. Market data products and market data on the top. On the top, right. Come down. Historical stock prices. Historical stock prices. The second block.
Okay.
And equity, and the segment, equity, it's mutual funds, equity, the segment, ETFs, and we'll just do for BANKBEES. Type BANKBEES. And the same thing, monthly from I took from January 2012, Jan 2012, down year, and then year is there, right? 2012, submit, download. The top, go onto the top, go on the top. That small save button is there, right? So right side, that. Open that. So just we'll observe. So it started at 994 and went all the way to come down. Went all the way to 1820, then 17, then 19. Keep coming down. Then 2000, then 28, then yeah, keep. So then suddenly it has done 328. See there. That's where the split is. December 19. So now make a column in F. Just come to F96. F96. No.
Sorry.
Go to F96. Yeah, go there. Equals to that F96 divided by 10. Enter.
Oh,
sorry, E96. E, not F96. Now copy that formula above. Above. No, no, not down, above.
Just a moment.
Yeah.
Oops.
Divided by 10.
Okay.
And copy above. Copy above to F2.
F2.
Or okay, copy F2 to that formula all the way down. I'll tell you. There's another way to do it. Now come to the December 29th. From there, you shouldn't be doing that by 10. It has to be by 1, right?
This one?
The next item. That has to be not by 10, it has to be by 1 only. Also, just simply equals to E97 is what you put. From there, you don't need to apply that formula. Yes. Now do that. Now again, copy that F97 to F down all the way to F125. Now what you do is reverse it. Select all. You are doing a sort. Select all.
The entire thing.
Yeah, the entire thing. Select data. Hit the data bar and say sort. Sort. And sort by date. Month, yeah. Order is new to old. Okay. Now go to your other sheet.
Just a minute. Where
Copy that. And
Okay.
name that sheet 1 as Bank Nifty. Just make this is BankBees. And the heading on B1 become heading on B1 becomes no on the B1 it becomes BankBees.
Sorry. Where?
Yeah, just type it instead of BankBees, NIFTYBEES, you write BankBees.
Okay. Okay.
Go to the other sheet. You have the dates which should be similar, but just copy all the dates from A2 to entire dates. Copy, paste it in the month, the column A. Delete whatever is in the entire B. Delete the entire B. Delete it. Now go to your other sheet. No, go to your other sheet.
Okay.
That F column is what you have to say. F, copy and paste as values there because there is a formula, right? So paste. No, paste. You have to paste as values. Right click. Paste special. Yeah, that's. Now instead of number of shares, you change it to BankBees.
Okay.
You are done. Now you have your Bank Nifty profile. So your Bank Nifty profile is
Okay.
your 100 has given you 332, whereas NIFTYBEES, how much NIFTYBEES has given?
Yeah.
339.
It is 339. So your bank, actually what you can do is just copy all this, copy I2 to all the values and up to K. and paste it in BankBees as values, side by side.
Yes.
Yeah, there.
So sorry.
Yeah, paste as values.
Yeah.
Yeah, and change that precision to go to J and press your mouse on entire J. Select that brush, format painter. Format painter. No, format painter. On the left hand side, go on the left hand side, format painter, and put that on entire O, that brush. What I have done is you have just shifted one row below.
Oops.
When you pasted, right, you should have pasted on N2, whereas you pasted on N3.
Just a moment. I'll do that.
And now you do that paint stuff, that brush. The same thing on K and P. Take the brush on K, get the brush and do that on P. Now we have a side-by-side comparison of NIFTYBEES and BankBees, and tell me what's your preference and why. And I will debate just for 2 minutes. I mean, you could be right, you could be wrong, and I also could be right, and I also could be wrong, because the way we look at the things is different.
BankBees probably.
Why? It has given you less returns because it is given you only 332 versus Nifty of 339.
But if you see average of all points on an average, whenever you make profit, so in your Nifty you make 1.06, but when you
Where
go
is
for
1.06? Just highlight that.
yeah. Okay.
That's a points, but again,
Here you get 2.03.
No, that is not a right metric. You have to look at K of that item. That is dollar because Bank Nifty is quoting at a very high number. So your rupees, you will only get 1.3 banks.
Look at the percentage wins. It's better for bank.
It's just a small high number, yeah.
And then you also look at this average of win points. So
No, so the way that I look is, so now select all, unhighlight everything. I mean, those yellow colors are there. I'll tell you the way I look at it. So remove all the yellows, select, control all, select all, remove that no fill, put it no fill. No, you have to put no fill, otherwise those dashes will go.
Thora, sorry to interrupt just for a minute, and I joined a little late, and I would like to leave now. I have some other commitments.
Yes, you can leave. We
okay.
are done by 5 minutes.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, Reena. So the way that I look, just highlight the terms I strictly look at. Okay, so 100 becomes, that is my important thing. So highlight 100 becomes columns. No, here, there, in the I21 is that. So select I21 and all that 3, I and J and K, those 3 items. And highlight it yellow. As of now, my Nifty is high because it is giving me 339. So choice there is Bank Nifty. You write Bank Nifty as choice on R. In the R, go to R20, R20 cell.
R20 cell.
Yeah, there my Nifty is highest because P is Nifty, right? So my choice is Nifty. Nifty is.
Kura, you might also want to mention Nifty and Bank Nifty so that we know.
Yeah, then it was. So she has to write on, go to I2 and write the heading. Then there is no confusion.
Yeah, it's easier that way.
So I2 is bank, and that is Nifty. Save the sheet, save it, save, so that you don't lose all your hard work. Did you do Control S?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, now you on your 100 becomes, you write your choice next to R2. Sorry, in the R20, whatever is your choice. Which is the highest returns? That's what my choice would be.
Okay, that will be Nifty.
Yeah. Now percentage wins is of low importance, but still I would highlight and write just for the heck of it. Right? Go to percentage wins. Percentage wins.
Fifth one.
5. Highlight entire thing as yellow. There my choice would be
Nifty again.
again Nifty. Okay. But I would give low importance to that.
Okay.
That trick. Then the next thing is the standard deviation metric, the number 10. Highlight that yellow. Here my thing would be lower standard deviation. It is better for me. So you might want to write a comment in S. Go in R, the corresponding S for the first one, R5. Right? Higher the better. That's your. That's how you do it. Now, when it comes to standard deviation, lower the better. Comments. Now come down, right?
Lower the better, right?
Lower the better. So now what is your choice? Which is the lower?
That's Nifty.
Right.
Okay.
Now go to profit factor.
Okay.
It's higher the better, because obviously for every $1 you are losing, you prefer whatever is giving you high returns. Highlight that again, make it yellow so that you know what you guys are doing. I mean, which are the important factors to look at. Now CAGR, the 100 becomes is nothing but CAGR, so highlight it again. It is in the comments, you say it is nothing but 100 becomes column. Nothing but 100 becomes. I mean, it's not a new number as such. So here, what is it?
Okay, so for the bank Nifty it is 12.77, and for Nifty it was 12.99.
So higher the better. Yeah. So Nifty, your choice becomes Nifty. And then do a maximum drawdown percentage.
Sorry?
So higher the better. Nothing. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the maximum drawdown percentage, MDD percentage. Highlight. Here, what's your choice? Lower the better. Comment is lower the better. So which is lower?
Yeah, this so.
Yeah, right. Your choice. And recovery time also you can make the choice. Percentage drawdown, they're all lower the better. Percentage time in drawdown, everything is lower the better. But I won't look at it. I mean, how many items I can keep on looking at it? But you can highlight in a different color and write your choice. They're all lower the better. Don't do it. Just leave it. Don't wrap it. Let it be.
Okay. Nice.
Undo. Control Z. Yeah, that's it. So now you copy. You want time in drawdown, percentage in drawdown. Lower the better, and then you make your choice.
Okay.
down whatever is better, and then that's what your choice would be. Right? So you got a perspective to question, a perspective to compare, and a perspective to make a choice. Yes or no?
Yes.
And if I am a salesman and I come to you and I say, buy BankBees, will you buy from me?
No.
Why?
The returns are
attended.
Why? Because you have made the sheet and you will show the sheet to me. Right? Don't sell me wrong investment, because I know these factors. See, everywhere Nifty is 8 out of 10 score or 8 out of 8, whatever is that choices which are important to you. So I will go with Nifty. Right? That's how you answer me back, or that's how you make an informed decision. Yes or no?
yes.
Yes.
So the question is, we are done. Last 3 minutes or 2 minutes. So the question is, I hope you learned something, and it may be boring. Reena, you have to send me that, save that as working sheet, write your name, -Reena or whatever, and send it to me immediately. Reply in the email.
I'll stop sharing.
Yeah, you stop sharing and you send that sheet to me right now.
Yeah, doing it right away.
So the
Koda, if you just one quick question. So if you're taking a larger sample, in your experience, if you're taking a larger sample, is this how it would have shown up? Nifty being better
maybe
than
yes,
bank?
maybe no, but the whole point is you can take larger sample of or 200 years, but the problem with that is I don't live for 100 years. I live only for 60 or 70 years if I'm lucky. And in that 60 years, I am dependent on somebody for 25 years, right?
Okay.
And again, I become 25 dependent after 60 because I'm retired and I can't earn or anything. So I have to be either dependent on myself with my savings, or I have to beg and borrow my kids or somebody, right? Yes or no? After 60. Yes, right?
After
So,
giving us all this back-tested conversation,
whatever
I'm
it
going
is,
to make
the
a
point
guess.
is, whatever it is, the point is, start earning, or you are independent from the age of 25, because that's when you start earning. And you will stop earning at the age of 60. So your entire living potential is only 30 years, 30, 35 years or whatever.
Yes.
In that,
Yes.
when you start the job, you will get peanuts. They'll pay only 10,000 or 20,000. Where is the question of saving? So your earning potential increases maybe at the age of 35. So now it is come down to 25 years. So that's 60 minus 35, right? Now again, after your 55 to 50, 50 to 50, 50 to 60, we have few things to take care of. Your kid's wedding or whatever. So you only are living effectively how many years? 20 years, right? Approximately, plus or minus. So you, instead of doing all the 100 years garbage, you just do 20, 25 years, which is suitable.
Which is back to the sampling error. Okay.
It has sampling error, but again, as I said, like every point in investing or financial world can be debatable in exactly opposite way. And we can keep on debating, and it's just evaluating the choice, which is better choice. That's
Okay. Sure. Thanks, Kura.
what I'll do is I have a small question. I'm going to upload this video, and I'll also upload all the working sheet for anybody, whoever wants to pick it up. It's not necessarily the show applicants or show participants, but because we spent our valuable time of 3 hours, we have to, for the recording, we are not charging. They can watch it on free on YouTube. But if they want Excel sheets and PPT, right, there's worth something. And whatever you guys decide right now, we will price it that much. And all earnings, it could be 1 rupee, or it could be 1,000 rupees, or it could be 50,000 rupees, depending on how you promote, will go to your choice. Of the 8 participants, whoever sat through this horrible torturing session or whatever you could call, will go to their choice of charity. Now the question to you 8 participants is, what should be the price of these? Just throw a number. We will decide right now. It takes 1 minute. So Kavita, question to you is, did you learn something after 3 hours?
Oh yes, absolutely.
And
100%.
because it's I offered it free, you sat through it. But if I want to charge, how much will you be willing to pay for this? Don't be shy. Just throw any number.
I don't know. I'm not shy. I'm just thinking maybe a 5K.
5K is too much. I mean, like, you are too generous.
Oh, it's too much, is it? Okay. Then
You can send it to me.
I mean, I was thinking of,
I don't.
because I'm also getting the audio, right? I'm thinking of a 3-hour session. If I have to attend an online,
I know. I mean, you are a
session with
consultant, so you are charging your consultant charges. So, okay, 5K is too much.
Maybe
so
I can be
next, somebody else
conservative
can
and
attempt.
say 1,000.
1,000. I think I would say 1,000 is also too much, because there are so many. Also,
I would say
looking at-
500
This,
rupees.
Kora.
we are also looking at educating somebody else, so we can't put them off.
500 rupees.
Yeah, maybe 500 is a little high, so I would put it like 200. If that.
Oh wow, you've been very generous now.
Oh, yeah.
No, but we are also educating. I mean, like, it's not me alone. It's all 8 of us alone. All 8 of us together. And
also more people will pick it up, so 200 makes sense. So
Yeah.
we're reaching a larger.
you don't feel like cheating if it is 200, right? If
Yes.
1,000,
Yeah,
you
it's
say,
a larger number.
oh, let's 5 hours buy together and watch it. Download it. If it is 200, okay, I don't need to ask
Yeah.
to share the cost.
Yeah, and also whether they like it or not, they wouldn't feel bad.
And you don't again feel like cheated if it's 200 rupees just like a coffee or some small amount. I don't feel like cheated because I paid 200, right?
Makes sense.
Whether it's 1,000 or 5,000, you have a number of components, a number of comments. Oh, it's too expensive. I didn't learn anything. Can you return my? Or it's a way, all sorts of comments. So we will stick to 200.
Sure.
That's because you guys decided, and I will upload the video in once it's processed or format. And the video is free, but the working sheets and PPTs, if anybody wants to buy, they have to pay 200 rupees, because that's what we decided. And our earnings will go to the charity of all the 8 of yours choice, which I will send an email. You can reply, and we'll do once in a month. Like maybe at the month end, I will ask one of you to verify the whole earnings, and you guys can take the money and donate it to whatever is your 8 people's choice after the transaction costs and everything, right? Transaction cost is, if you pay 200 to me, I won't get 200. I will only get 190, because the 5 rupees or 10 rupees the guy will charge, right?
Banking transactions kind, yeah.
Yes.
Or expense. Yes.
All right, ladies. So thanks so much for your time, and I hope you learned. And I will see you sometime soon, because there is an extension of this session, which I will decide when to do it. Maybe next Saturday, next Sunday. I don't know, but I'll notify well in advance. And have a nice weekend and Saturday.
Sure. Thanks, Kura.
Thank you.
Thank you
Fantastic
so
session.
much, Cora. Thank you making
Bye,
this
everyone.
Women's Day special.